Hey guys, welcome back to the HBNet Agency's YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing great. And today is Wednesday guys, and today is all about the Canva session of this week. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's begin with the topic. Let me take you to the Canva dashboard. So here we are back in the Canva dashboard, and today I am going to design a beautiful birthday poster with the help of free Canva. So let me show you the elements also. To make your work easy, you can see that I have kept all elements ready, and if you want, you can take a screenshot of these elements also. So guys, let us start with the topic. So first of all, I'll make the background of this poster, and I'll go to elements, and you can select this background which is white, and I will change the color to this one. And as you can see, I'm going to use this element, so I'll just take it and I'll just paste it here. Now click on these three dots. You can see that there is a replace background option. You can click on it and our background is ready. So guys, let me show you the function of the other elements also. Now I'll be using this element, and you can see that I'll put it here, and I'll make it little bit larger, and just I'll drag it like this, and on the both sides like this. Just make sure that it is in the right hand side. Make it little bit bigger. Now the next element which I am going to take is this one, and by seeing this element, I know many of you will realize that where I am going to use it. Yeah, so I am going to use it in the right hand side. So let me make it little bit left, and I'll make it little bit in the left hand side. So you can see that this one is almost in the left hand side and also coming correctly with the left frame color. Okay, and you can see how it is adjusting with the thing also, so you can realize it. Now I'll take the other elements also, but before that I'll show you the elements once more. Okay, so today I'm going to design a birthday poster, and it is going to be the first birthday poster of a baby. So let us give the focus element also. So this is the focus part, and I am going to put it in the center. In order to check that whether you are putting in the center, let's go to the position, and I'll go to the arrange, and it's already in the center. Okay, now I'll put a title in this poster. I'll take a text box, I'll put add a text box, and I'll just write, please join us for the date. Okay, so let me do that. Let's cancel this and add a text box. So let me write it, please join us for the date. And I'll just change the font. I'll just change to LT Riava. Okay, make sure that you are putting it a little bit smaller, and I'll just drag it to the upper part, and again I'll check that whether I'm putting in the center or not. Okay, now you can change the color of this font. So I'll just select the text color, and I will change it to this one and this one. Okay, you can make it a little bit bold also. Yeah, so I think it is looking nice. Now I'll put it as a first. So in order to do that, I'll just duplicate this one, and I'll just write ST for making it first, and I will change it to Playfair display. Now I'll increase the font little bit, not much, so I think this much is fine. I'll just drag it like this, and I'll just make sure that it is in bold color. Okay, now let me tell you, my dear friends, I'll design the right hand side of this poster. For that I'll use this element. So let me take this element and I'll just simply put it like this, and I will duplicate it. Okay, this poster is going to be little unique than the others because the background which I am making, I liked it because it is little bit unique also. So you can see it. See friends, this part is now looking totally vacant. To cover up the vacant part, I'll just take a rectangle like this. You can take and you can reduce the size. You can take this rectangle and cover this part like this one. Just make sure that it is covering like this, and just put it little bit this side and also fully cover up. Okay, and put it behind the rectangle. Put all the elements behind the rectangle so that it comes nicely and it looks like a beautiful photo frame. Okay, just make sure it is behind the rectangle, and you can change this color to this one. So I think this color is not looking good. You can change this to this one so that it matches with the background also. Now I will take the lines which I have kept ready. You can see that this is a bold line. I'll just copy it, and you can put it by simply typing line, and you can paste it here, and you can also see the line color. Okay, and I have bolded it. Okay, just make sure that you are making it a straight line. Okay, just copy it and make sure these elements you are putting behind the rectangle. Okay, now I'll show you the rest of the design. Since I have already made the left hand side, now I'll show you the right hand side. Okay, for that I'll take this element and I will drag it like this. You can rotate it little bit to look a little bit nice and small also. Yeah, I think this is fine, and I'll just put it little bit downwards. Okay, now the next element which is left, you can see, is this one. So let us take this element and I will just put it here, and you can see that in the corner I'll be putting it, and make sure that it is little bit big. Okay, my dear friends, so you can see the poster background as well as the elements I have given nicely. The remaining part which is left is I will add the text box. Okay, for that I'll add a text box. I like birthday of you can make it little bit bigger, and just make it little more bigger. I think this much is fine, and a little bit more like this. And I want to change this time the font to Perisinin. Okay, and again what I will do is I'll just duplicate it, and I will name the baby also like Gia Robbins. Okay, you can take any names as you like and put a little bit down. Okay, and in order to make sure that it is in the middle or not, I'll just again go to the position, layers, you can go to arrange and see it is in the center. So you can also put this in the center. So let's put the date of the birthday. So let's do it. I'll take a text box. This time I'll put the date as 27th, and here I'll just drag it down and I'll change the font to Covet Brush. These are the kids font. You can use it as a fun font also. Okay, so this time I'll reduce the font size because this much font size is not needed. So I'll just put a little bit up, and again I'll duplicate this one. I'll just write the month, and I'll go to effects and I'll just curve it little bit. So this much curve is not needed. I'll just reduce the curve size to, I think this much is fine, and I'll just pull it little bit up, and I'll also reduce the font size, okay, so that it comes correctly. So if you do like this, I'll just put a little bit adjustment from here, and I will drag it like this, and I'll increase the letter spacing also little bit. Okay, you can see to give it a good effect. Now go to the effects and give a shadow so that it comes correctly. The next thing, I'll put the timing. It will be like 9 a.m. You can put any timing as you wish. For that you just need to duplicate it, and I'll be putting like 9 a.m. or you can just put the capital letter of it. Just reduce the size because this much is not needed. Like little bit adjustment you can do from here. Okay, and make sure that everything you are putting in the center position. Okay, so this is also okay. Now I'll put the address for people to invite. So let's do that. For that I'll again duplicate this one, and this time I'll put it here, and I'll just reduce the size. So you can write like near HBNet Road. This is our agency name. You can see, you can put your own address. Just reduce the size of it and make it small. And you can make it more small, and you just put it in the middle like this. Again I can duplicate it like this. So this time I'll make it little bit small again because I think this is looking little bit small. So I'll just delete this one and I'll duplicate again. I'll put like street road, like cross, and I'll just do it like, just again duplicate it. In this way you can put the entire address. Okay, so this much is fine. I think you can also check everything is in the middle or not. You can check whether all the things are coming in the center, because it will look good if you are putting everything in the center part. Okay, also change the space in between the elements. So I think this is nice, looking nice also. So that's all for today, guys. I think this much is good, and the poster is also very easy to design. You can also practice this type of design at your home, and since I have already used free Canva, you can try these elements out and design your beautiful poster. You can also change the elements for making your designs more unique. You can show your designs to us also, and if you want to make design for different types of industries and if you want to show it to us, you can also do like that. If you want designing from us, we are also happy to give you the designing, and we are ready to help you to learn with Canva also. So friends, you can purchase Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost. And I'll show you how to purchase it. For that, you have to go to the YouTube and you have to type like @HBNet agency. You can see our HBNet agency YouTube channel. Just click on the playlist. Here you can see a lot of playlists including Learning Elementor Pro. Also, we come with many unique website designing ideas. You can see the playlist of all the website designing ideas, and also you can learn WordPress in depth from our channel. But now I will show how you can buy Elementor Pro and Divi at a very low cost. In that case, you can go to the Elementor Pro playlist. You can see a lot of videos we have placed. You can click any of the videos. I'll click this one. I'll just see that here it is written Get Elementor Pro. Just click on More and click on this link. Now you can see we have come to the Elementor website where we can buy Elementor Pro. A lot of plan of Elementor is there from Essential, Popular, Expert and Agency. So you can buy accordingly. For agency, you can go for this plan and also you can see the features and buy. You can also see they are providing 24/7 support. And if you click on this buy now button, you will also get some discounts. Okay, just also read all the things. You can also compare the plan features. Everything is given in detail. Okay. Now I'll show you how you can purchase Divi theme. For that, it is written that get Divi theme. Now I'll take you to the elegantthemes.com. Okay, just go there. Here you can see we have come to the Divi website. Now what we have to do? We just have to click on the pricing. See, it's written the summer sale is going on. Okay. Now you can purchase Divi yearly also and for lifetime also. If you want to purchase Divi for 1 year, in that case, click on sign up today. And you can put all the add-ons here like Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP and Divi Themes. If you don't need it, just click on no thanks, proceed to checkout, or you can click on the close button. Okay. Now I will show you how to purchase Divi Lifetime. In that case, go to back and just toggle it Divi Lifetime. Now you can see just for rupees $199 we can purchase Divi and also we will save 20%. Okay, just click on sign up today. And again the pop-up box came. If you want to purchase the Divi AI and every Divi support, then you can put 111 to the cart. If you don't need it, just click on the close button. You can create your account and put like just put your username. I'm putting like ABCD now and you can click anything just like this @ just give your email ID and you can create one password and also confirm your password and you can put your first name and the last name and you can put your country. In that case we are India, so it's India only. You can also purchase from your card or from the direct bank account. Okay, now you have to click on the you agree to the terms and conditions and you can complete your registration. Okay, so this is how you will buy the Divi. So guys, that's all for today. Tomorrow is Thursday and I'll come up tomorrow with a fresh and very new topic. Till then, this is Nishu signing off from HBNet Agency. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.